How to add automatic video with sound on Squarespace. So I've just opened up the Squarespace editor here, and what we want to do is we want to click on edit. Now we will need to add a block and then select the option for video. It's going to look like this. Now the next step is going to be clicking on the pencil icon here to edit, and we will just need to upload our video. If we click on it, we can either add from a link, so YouTube or Vimeo, but I'm going to upload from my computer here. I'll go to videos and I'll just upload one of my previous tutorials. And this will begin the upload process. It might take a little bit of time depending on how long your video is, as well as the quality of it. But once this video is done uploading here, what we'll need to do is we'll click on edit yet again. And we'll need to toggle this on. So we'll need to toggle autoplay and make sure that mute video is not toggled on. So if this is unchecked and autoplay is checked, then your video will work properly on your website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.